Hey guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the car battery for the Hyundai Elantra. So here I'm using a 10mm wrench socket to unscrew the screw on the negative terminal. After that I also unscrew the positive terminal, which is red color. Then I remove the negative battery clamp. This is usually associated with black color. Then remove the positive battery clamp from the terminal. The battery clamp usually covered with the red cover or covered with a red plus sign. Now both battery clamps have been removed. Next we need to unscrew the hold down bracket, which keeps the battery secure. For this I use a 12mm wrench socket. This is after the hold down bracket is removed. Next, remove the battery cover. Then put in your new car battery. One note, before you put in new battery, take a look at the terminal clamp. If it needs to be cleaning, then you can use like a metal brush or something that to be to clean it off. Put back the car battery cover, then screw in the hold down bracket for the car battery so keep it secure. Now we need to connect the positive terminal first, and after that negative terminal after. I remove the positive terminal cover. Connect the battery positive clamp into the red positive terminal, and after that tighten it with the 10mm wrench socket. Once that's done, do the same thing for the negative terminal. Now both terminal clamp is secure, and you can close the positive cover onto the positive terminal. So I hope this video is helpful for you to install a new battery for your Hyundai Elantra. If you like this video, click a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you next video.